Yo, where's your hood?
Yo, they got me, man. Damn, I don't know what happened, bro.
Don't worry, we have his hood, and I just finished painting something crazy on it. Surprise.
Wow.
What's going on, guys? Your artist, your favorite artist, On the Loose, the artist, and I'm here in Huntington Station, New York at LI Auto Concepts, about to do something really cool. My friend Jay, he contacted me. He has a dope Hellcat Durango, and he wanted to get something painted under the carriage of his hood. He wanted something patriotic. He's part of the military, so thank you for your years of service, Jay. We really appreciate it, and we're gonna hook this piece up for you. Make sure that your Hellcat is stunting once you pull that hood up. I'm ecstatic. I know you guys are ready, especially when I do the car stuff. It's been a minute. I'm about to whip out the airbrush, about to whip up the spray guns, about to whip up the paintbrush. Just mix it up, and let's get into it, man. We ready to go. All right, so we have the hood here. It's ready at LI Auto Concepts. First thing we have to do is I'm gonna have my homie Henry throw down some water on the floor, and what that's gonna do is that's gonna keep the dust from the floor when we're spraying from rising up and landing on the actual hood, so it doesn't get the dust inside the hood. Next thing we're gonna do is I'm going to use, it's called a tack cloth, to wipe this entire hood down. All right, so now we tacked everything down. Most of the dust and dirt is off. Now I'm gonna use this solvent-based degreaser. This is from U-Pole, and it's a wipe number 6. So I'm gonna spray this on here, and then I'm gonna wipe it down to take any of the grease off so that the paint can adhere good. And then we're ready to put the vinyl on and start painting. He what? My bad. I'm in the spray booth. Hold on one second. I want to make sure that it's aligned where I need it to be aligned. This has a lot of angles, so I just gotta make sure that we can push this down nicely. I think I like it there. All right, guys, so I got the We the People down in the vinyl in the locations I needed them. Had to heat it up so it warped, no underspray. And now I'm going to put the actual Battle of Iwo Jima image with the soldiers putting up the American flag right in this section, so I'm gonna have to put the vinyl there as well. I take this all up, the vinyl is all on. I know it might not make sense, but the goal is to paint everything that's not taped, obviously. We the People have the American flag in here. I'm gonna make it look like neon lights. The men are gonna be right here, so I'm gonna paint their silhouette. So what I got here is a paint color we mixed. It's actually like a dark Honda silver with metallic flake. I'm gonna mix it up so that we could get the base color that's just gonna be like a little off tone. Everything is ready to paint. Got my little spray gun, got the color mixed, and now let's get into it.
Yeah. Masterpiece. It's the only way it had to be, your majesty. I came out the dungeon after I masterpiece. Gradually master the cheat. The hate is vividly, the energy came with a fee. Keep the receipts, I'm out of reach. Out of state, out of mind. Left the scene, I'm replying to messages left on green. I'm on go. You see the red light, I move with a beam. So you know it is what it is, and not what it seems. Like a show. I got the ether, make your soul burn slow. Heart of gold, take pride in your grind. Keep your pockets swole. Fake love is like a slow kill, it's very damaging. No matter what the road is you take, it's always challenges. You don't know who's sending them shots like a silencer. You living foul, got you taking drugs for you to balance. Outside, soaking in the sun, the chosen one. Count your day, one day your day will come. Your journey has begun. Don't let them think they won. The evil doer's job is never done. What's growth? Is it going to places where I don't need a gun? Playing it smart, cause I was playing it dumb. He went from being a musician, now he playing with drums, risking your freedom for funds. In every hood to the slums, don't be a one and done.
Don't be a one and done. It's on the loose and black. Better get sus. You lose a stack or lose your mind when you square root what's mine. You're too attached. Do the math. When you come out the mud, go through the grass. I treat these rappers like donkeys. Just know I'm on your ass. I'm your favorite artist. You could ask them. They thought it was a race, but couldn't keep the pace. I passed them. I'm on another sphere, like a different planet. In another year, the time traveling, paint splattering rapper hustlers here. You never seen this before. See, I'm a 101, so even in the coldest of winter, I'm like the summer sun.
Surprise.
Oh man. Oh, this is fire. Oh wow. Wow. Yeah, I didn't expect this at all. It looks, I'm trying not to curse. It looks fire. PG. Oh man, I love how you did that part. Everything just looks fake.
It looks fake.
It looked like, yeah, like, but I know you airbrushed and stuff. Oh man, even
That's all brush, bro.
yeah, the articles. Oh wow, yeah, I love this. I didn't expect this at all.
Yeah, I'm winning all the awards. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot.
Just go for like spectator, but like this gotta be in the show.